In this video, I'm going to show you how to install GOG step by step so you can get set up quickly and start using GOG Galaxy without confusion. This is a simple process, but I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to do. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to GOG.com. You can type it directly into the address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, you'll be on the official GOG homepage. This is the safest place to begin because you want to make sure you're downloading the real GOG software and not a third-party copy. Next, look for the option that says Check GOG Galaxy. This is the section that lets you learn more about the GOG Galaxy Launcher, which is the desktop app used to organize and manage your games. Click on that option to continue. After that, you'll be taken to the GOG Galaxy page. Here, look for the download button that says Download GOG Galaxy 2.0. Click on that button to start the download process. Depending on your browser and operating system, the installer file may download automatically to your computer. Once the download finishes, open the installer file from your Downloads folder or from the download bar in your browser. If your system asks for permission to run the app, click Yes or Allow to continue. The setup wizard will then appear on your screen. Now follow the on-screen instructions in the installer. You may be asked to accept the terms, choose an installation location, and confirm the setup. In most cases, the default settings are fine, so you can continue by clicking Next or Install until the process is complete. When the installation is finished, launch GOG Galaxy. If prompted, sign in with your GOG account or create one if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you can begin browsing your library, installing games, and managing everything in one place. And that's it. You've now installed GOG and set up GOG Galaxy on your computer. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.